What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So recently I did a video on the process of monetization, and I know that didn't really get a lot of traction. I believe I have like maybe a couple hundred views or so on that video. If you want to check out that video, I'll put that up in the cards. But I recently did it. It was about a week ago. And I'm glad to inform you that I've been approved for monetization. So literally it's been one day since I've had monetization. Obviously there's a delay with revenue and everything like that. So I'm going to get into the numbers and show you exactly what I made for the first day of being monetized. Before I start, make sure you hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I'm doing a giveaway, which I'll get into all of the details at the end. So stick around till then. So why did I want to make a video like this one? Realistically, I wanted to make a video on my first day, my first week, my first month, my first year, and then continue on from there to be as transparent as possible, because everybody wants to know how much you make on YouTube. That's what a lot of people see. That's what a lot of people say. It's what a lot of people ask, and they don't really know. And, talking to some close people that I know, telling them how much you could make in certain areas, and they're really surprised at that. So I wanted to really dig into this just to show you exactly how much I made on the first day. Also, I wanted to dig into the numbers because a lot of people mistake a lot of these numbers. They think you need a certain amount of views. I've heard YouTubers say that in order to get $100 to make $100, you need like 120,000 views or so. You need like this many views, this much watch time, all this type of stuff. And I feel like that's not right. So I'm going to go into my numbers so that you really understand what's going on in the background. So I'm going to go through my analytics and just show you exactly how much I made. It's not going to be any surprise. It's not going to be a huge number, and it's not going to be anything that's drawn out. So let's jump into this specifically. Okay, so what I wanted to do here was just show you exactly what I'm looking at when it comes to revenue, when it comes to, analytics, all that stuff. Now, what we're going to look at specifically is how much I earn. Obviously, you're going to see I earned $3.06. Now, this is my earned revenue page. So yes, I earned $3.06 on my first day. That's not bad. I'm happy with making $3.06. If I make $1 a day for the whole year, I make $360, $365. So I'm really happy with that. I'm fine with it because I do work a 9 to 5. It's not something that I'm depending on this income. I'm just really looking to get another source of like passive income. Obviously, as I have videos out there, they're just going to be making money for me. And then also a lot of people get value from it. So let's look at all of these different numbers. So you have the estimated revenue. You have $3.06. You have 451 estimated monetized playbacks. So this is basically just saying how many people watched your ads. So how many times a viewer saw at least one ad while watching a video. So that's pretty straightforward. You have 451 estimated monetized playbacks. So then you have the CPM. So this is what a lot of people get confused with CPM. They think it's basically per like 1,000 views that you get. It's per 1,000 playbacks. So if you have someone come in and, watch your video and watch one ad, then that's going to be one playback. But if someone comes through and watches your video and doesn't watch any ads at all, doesn't get over the 5-minute mark, if they skip through everything, then that wouldn't be a playback. So you can get to, 100,000 views, but if they didn't watch your ads, then what are you going to do about it? So really what people get confused, just like I said, is they get confused with CPM number. They think that this should be like $1 or $5 or whatever. Obviously this is what you get paid per 1,000 playbacks. Now this number changes from what I've seen from different YouTubers, not from mine. Obviously, this is the first time I'm seeing it because this is the first day I have it. But I've seen this number change from YouTuber to YouTuber, actually from the same YouTuber over different years, looking at different influencers. So This is definitely standard. I'm really happy with what happened so far. I'm wondering how the second day is going to play out. If I'm consistently around $3, I'm definitely happy because that's another form of passive income. I'm not depending on it to be my only source of income. Now, if I do get to a point to where I'm making a little bit more money with this, yeah, I'll be happy. Then I could start, putting that money away, investing that in different places, saving some of that money, and doing some great things with some of that money, giving to charities, all types of stuff like that. So I'm really happy with what happened. I just wanted to show you exactly how much I made in one day, which is $3.06. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, I would suggest that you go ahead and start one. It took me about 6 months to get to this point. I've seen people get to this point a lot sooner. I've also seen people get to this point a lot, longer. It took them way too long to get to this point because they just weren't consistent with uploading videos. So that's the key. I mean, you just want to stay consistent. I don't know why I was approved for monetization so quickly. It took less than a week for me to be approved, even though the policy, the rules, everything, the instructions said that it would take a month or so. So I guess it depends on if you're consistent with your content and all types of things like that. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm not going to drag this on too long. I really just wanted to show you exactly how much I made in this day, in the first day that I've been monetized. And I'm going to show you exactly how much I make over the first week that I've been monetized, just so that you get a sense on how much you can make in, the business, credit card, personal finance realm in that industry, how much you can make. And it varies from person to person, I guess, depending how consistent you are, and all types of things like that. So, yeah, I'll get a stronger sense on what all of these numbers mean, and if they change, why do they change. I'll make sure I include that in the next video. But hopefully you do like this video. Make sure that you hit the like button on this video. It helps me out a lot. It truly does. So hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Personal finance videos, credit card videos, investing videos, a ton of videos that I create. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for all of those. Also, remember that I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway of 2 Amazon gift cards when I hit my 2,000 subscriber mark. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. That only will help you out. I guess it will help me out too. I really appreciate anybody who subscribes to my channel, who likes, who comments, all that stuff. So yeah, hit the subscribe button if you want to win the gift cards, and if you want to support the channel, do that. But I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.